Hey guys, so I wanted to mention something. I help people sometimes find cars, people who just need help, or you got friends that buy new cars or something they need help with used cars. But anyway, long story short, um, a friend of mine, looking for an Audi Q7. So I was searching for one, and looking at the options they wanted. I found one, and one of the options listed was Audi beam rings. I think, what is beam rings? Is that the door lights? And sure enough, it was. But Audi charges $200 for that system, or that those lights to put in your door. And I've seen those around. They've been around for a few years now. Some cars do it factory. I've seen it. My sister on her Mustang, she has it on her door. It looks pretty cool. You see the horse when she opens the door, the Mustang horse symbol. And Lexi mentioned how she wanted it on her Mercedes. So I looked around, I found some, and I didn't want just the Mercedes emblem. I said, this car is an AMG. Let me see if I can find some that have not just AMG, but Mercedes AMG, just so people can kind of, know the difference. It just looks different. So I put those in, and I was amazed with the quality and the beam. Like, it looks really cool. Looks really, I don't know the right word for it, but it's a clean look. It doesn't look too cheesy. It's just looks almost factory. And they make what these lights are. These are, your car comes with puddle lights on some doors, some cars. So when you open your door, there's a light that shines down. And these lights help you see when you step out of a vehicle, so you're not stepping into a mud puddle or something that you don't want to step in. You see a lot more like the luxury cars. You see here, this one has it here on this BMW. It shines down, but this is like dark. You really cannot tell that it's shining down anything. And at night, yeah, it's there, or you may not know it's there, but it does help you. So guys, I decided to do it. I might change it. I found some M1s after I purchased these, but I did add some to the X5. So what I got was the BMW. Now, what I don't like about these is they don't seem as bright as, like I said, the Mercedes, where it's just a really clear beam. So I may switch around a little bit more, but it's just a quick install, gives it a different look, especially at nighttime. You can see here how it projects the beam. And I'll show you just a quick way of how they install. It's really simple, takes literally minutes to install. And these are one of those mods where you can quickly go back, it's like a cup of tea. You can go back to where you want. But you get the package like this. Make sure you order, when you order these lights, you order directly to the type you have, because I guess there's different styles. So try to match up on the pictures or photos, make sure you get the right light. Once you order that, you get a package something like this, where you might have a cord, it may plug in, and all you're going to do, you can usually use a flat head. Be careful, this door has leather around it, but if it's flat head, just be careful when you pull it out. You can take a fingernail. Be careful when you do that fingernail. You might damage your fingernails. But you can just literally click off. That's not working out right. So let's do it this way. No. So I'm pulling off the lens. But you can click. I just peel that out of here. And that's it. Now when you do this, I'll put this lens back in here. Click that back in. We're gonna unplug. I'm literally doing this with one hand. Match up directly to the car. Right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these two pins, I'm gonna plug them in on what looks like the two right ones, because they have pins in these. So these are plugged in just like that. Now when those are plugged in, I could then plug these lights in. And then there we go, we have projector lights. Make sure when you mount it, you mount them how you want them to be seen. You know, if you want it this way, I prefer to do it this way. So the BMW logo is facing in, and you're just gonna tuck it back in there. Okay. I'm gonna save these for later. If I don't sell this car, I'll make sure I give this to the future owner if I do sell it. If I do sell it. I'm assuming that at nighttime these will have a better look. I'm actually gonna turn off the garage lights now. So I'm not sure. What I might do, I might change these out to some M exclusive ones. Because after all, this is an M. But guys, quick mod. Just want to cover that. Trust me, I am going to get to these side blades and the blackouts. All right, guys, I decided to keep the BMW ones for the X5, but for the M3, I'm going to push over and put the M logos on the M3 since it's, I don't know, let's do something different. So here, take a little pry tool, stick it right in there, pop that out. Plug this connector, these two prongs. This connector has two silver prongs in here, usually on one side. If we try to do the other side, it's blank, so it won't work. Just make sure you get the right spot. Then you can just plug this, your new light, because here's your old one. You can replace him into the new slot. And good idea to check to see how they're pointing, because I want it to be this way. So I put this in here. It's got to face a certain way. That's it. Do the same thing for all the doors and you're all set. So which one do you guys like better? The M or the BMW?